This is our lesson number 85, L85 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn about ruby inclusions in stones from Siam, that means Thailand, Thai or Thailand or Siam, all other using names. Join us, learn well, and join the gem business and enrich your future with me. Please subscribe, give a like, and share to our youth to learn them and do the business in our country to improve our economy. We are moving to inside. Lesson number 85. Lesson number 85 in English medium, Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. This is a inclusion in Thai ruby. We are discussing. This also an inclusion in Thai ruby. It is twinning with bohemite needles. These are the needles, bohemite needles. We are moving to lesson. Now, in this inclusion, we can see hexagonal healing features. Hexagonal healing features we can see here. See, it is Thai ruby. It is from Thailand, natural ruby. And here, we can see here another hexagonal healing pattern. All are feathers, healing feathers, microscopic feathers in a Thai ruby. Hexagonal, six sides. Six sides are here. Hexagonal healing feathers. We can see next one. Here, same hexagonal healing pattern. Look at the hexagonal shape. It is healing pattern, natural healing pattern. All are very small feathers. We can see through the microscope or magnification lens. This one is bohemite needles. These are the bohemite needles, not heated one. Natural, when the stone is creating 35 million years ago, it creates everything here. Twinning is there, twinning. With twinning, bohemite needles are here. So it says us that is a natural inclusion, not heated stone. It is Thai ruby. In here, intersected twinning is there. Twinning, doubling in bohemite needles in 3 dimensions, 3D format. Intersected twinning with bohemite needles in 3D. You can identify this inclusion is natural inclusion. It is in Thailand, Thai ruby. The same thing in another way. Look at the twinning, intersected twinning, and the needles. These needles are bohemite needles. Bohemite needles, 120 degrees in 3D. Intersected twinning with bohemite needles. These needles are rutile needles, rich with bohemite. So we are learning. Look at the learn about the inclusions of rubies in Afghanistan. We are learning. Next lesson is Afghanistan rubies. L86 is describing the Afghanistan ruby inclusions, natural inclusions. Join us, learn well, join the gem business and enrich your future. Please subscribe, give a like and share, and write a comment regarding your idea. We are moving and we are moving now. I am going to stop recording.